Guys, Garrett here with Hogg Boss Gates. Today we're going to do a quick instructional video on how to put together your new Hogg Boss Trapping Gate. Your gate will come with a bag of hardware, which includes 14 5/16 inch and 3/4 bolts, and also 3 3/4 inch 5/16 bolts. You'll get lock nuts also. You'll get a pin for your guide rails, 2 of these, and 2 gate inserts. Guys, we're going to start off with putting the gate together. For this whole assembly, you're going to need 2 1/2-inch wrenches. As you can see, Kevin's got his wrenches ready. He's going to grab his gate inserts and 4 bolts. And these are your longer 1 3/4 inch bolts. Now we're going to grab the other half of the gate and slide it on. Grab 4 more bolts, 2 for each side. Now we're going to get our nuts and we're going to go ahead and crank them down. For the last part of installation on the gate, we've got these 3 holes right here, and this is where your small bolts come into play. Kevin's going to pop those in. And tighten them up. All right, now that the gate is assembled, we're going to start working on the frame rails. Kevin's got his left side over here. He knows that this is the front of his frame rail by this 1-inch square peg coming off the back. It needs to be facing backwards. He's going to start off. This is where your control panel mounts. It's just going to slide on. And he's going to use his 5/16 inch and 3/4 bolts and nuts. And you also, guys, are going to make sure that your latch plate is facing outward, okay? Next, we've got the top bar. He's going to do the same thing. On the right side, we're going to repeat. All right, now that Kevin has all his bolts and nuts placed, he's going to go ahead and tighten everything down. All right, guys, last part of installation is we're going to put our gate onto our frame. All we're going to need is our gate, our 2 guide rails, and our 2 pins, okay? As you can see, we have our 4-inch round rod facing outward. You're going to slide it onto your back foot pegs. You're going to slide your guide rails through these 2-inch square tubings. And your pins will go on the front side. All right, guys, as you can see, that's it on installation. Your trap gate's now ready for mounting of your control panel box.